Hi everyone, this is Stella and welcome to Stella Music Theory. Today we are going to go over some exercises from Chapter 3 in the Grade 1 Discovering Music Theory workbook. Let's get started. Today we are going to start with starting on an upbeat, which is on page 6 of the Grade 3 workbook. So what is an upbeat? First of all, we need to know what a downbeat is in music. So a downbeat is the first beat of each bar, which is the strongest beat of the bar or the accented beat. So upbeat refers to the beat that is not accented or the last beat of a bar. Not all music starts on the first beat of the bar. Many melodies start on an upbeat. The upbeat often is the last beat of a bar. When this happens, the final bar of the melody is usually shortened so that the first and last bars make one whole bar when added together. If a melody in 4/4 time starts on the fourth beat of a bar, the last bar will often have only 3 beats. The final beat has been borrowed from the last bar and placed at the beginning. And in a melody in 3/4 time that begins on the third beat will often have only 2 beats in its final bar, and so on. Let's take a look at the example here. This is from Chopin's Prelude in A major, Opus 28, number 7. This excerpt starts with an upbeat. If you look at the time signature, it's in 3/4 time, meaning there are 3 crotchet beats in every bar. Now the first bar line is here, and before the first bar line, you see that there is only 1 beat, which is this beat here, and that would be the last beat of the bar. So if there are 3 beats in every bar, it would be beat 3. Then there is a bar line here, a bar line here, a bar line here, and of course the double bar line at the end. Now let's take a look at the last bar here, which is boxed. There is a minim, and the minim lasts for 2 crotchets, which will be the beat 1 and beat 2 of this bar. So this bar is not complete. It's missing beat 3. So where is beat 3? Beat 3 has been borrowed here at the start of the music. So that first crotchet together with the minim at the end, which is in the last bar, make 1 bar. Smart tip. When a melody begins with an upbeat, work out the time signature by looking at the complete bars in the middle. So try not to count the beat in the first bar or the last bar because they are not complete bars. Let's take a look at exercise 8 together. Add the time signature to each of these melodies. All of these melodies start on an upbeat. And when we try to figure out the time signature, we need to avoid counting the beat in the first bar as well as the last bar. Question A. There is a bar line here at the beginning, and there's another one here. So there are only 2 bar lines. This quaver at the beginning is borrowed from the last bar, so we are not going to look at the first bar or the last bar. There's only 1 bar left, which is this bar here. There are 4 quavers at the beginning, which means 1 minim or 2 crotchets. Then there is a set of 4 semiquavers, which make 1 crotchet. And then there is a quaver with 2 semiquavers, which also make 1 crotchet. So we are going to use crotchet as a unit, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 crotchets. So it will be 4/4 time. Question B. Let's take a look at where the bar lines are. There's a bar line here, 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 and here. Now again, it starts on an upbeat. Well, there are 2 notes in this upbeat. So we are going to not use this bar. and not the last bar. So there are 3 bars for us to choose from. You can use any bar. We're just going to start with this bar here. Here you see that there are 6 semiquavers and all of them are beamed together. If all the semiquavers are beamed together into a bar, we're probably in 3/8 time. And since each set of 2 semiquavers make 1 quaver, there are 3 quavers in this bar. So the answer would be 3/8 time. Question C, we have a bar line here, 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 and here. Again, we are going to not look at the upbeat and the last bar. So let's focus on the first complete bar, which is here. The quaver notes and the quaver rest together make 1 crotchet beat. And then these 2 quavers make 1 crotchet. So there are 2 crotchet beats in every bar. The answer would be 2/4 time. Question D, there's a bar line here, 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 and here. Again, it's not an upbeat. Actually, there are 2 notes here, but they are the upbeat. So we are going to ignore them. And also the last bar. Let's take a look at the first complete bar, which is here. It's pretty obvious that there are 3 minims. 1, 2, 3. So the answer would be 3/2 time. Let's turn to the next page. Here we're going to learn about duple, triple, and quadruple time. Time signatures may be described as duple, triple, or quadruple, depending on how many beats they have in a bar. This is shown by the top number of a time signature. A duple time signature has 2 beats in a bar. A triple time signature has 3 beats in a bar. A quadruple time signature has 4 beats in a bar. Notice that the type of beat, crotchet, quaver, or minim, does not matter here. Only the number of beats in a bar. So we are just focusing on the top number. And the bottom number, whether it's 4 or 2 or 8, it doesn't matter. Let's look at the box here. Here we have 2/4 time and 2/2 time. What they have in common is that both of them have a number 2 as the top number. So when you see number 2 as the top number in a time signature, it is a duple time. Then here we have 3/4 time, 3/2 time, and 3/8 time. All of them have 3 as the top number. So when 3 is the top number, it's triple time. Here we have 4/4 time and 4/2 time. When the top number is a 4, it's quadruple time. So do is 2, try is 3, and quart is 4. Exercise 9. Tick 1 box to describe each time signature. Question A, 4/4 time. The top number is 4, so it will be quadruple time. Question B, 3/4 time. Top number is 3, so it's triple time. Question C, 4/2 time. Top number is a 4, so it's quadruple time. Question D, 2/4 time. Top number is a 2, therefore it's duple time. Question E, 3/2 time. Top number is a 3, and it's triple time. Theory in sound. You can listen to the following pieces, which are in duple, triple, and quadruple time, and count or clap the beats as you listen. So if it's in duple time, you will hear 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. If it's triple time, you will hear 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if it's in quadruple time, you will hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write down the name of a piece you have played or sung that is in duple time, triple time, and quadruple time here. This is the end of our tutorial today. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel so you will get updates on any upcoming videos. See you next time!